What's up, y'all? It's your girl Jasmine, and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how I do a maintenance on my flip over method sewing using TPL extensions. I am using a classic body wave, in a 18-2022, I believe, in the classic body wave. So I honestly don't be doing nothing to this hair, y'all. I'm a hairstylist, but I be telling everybody what to do with their hair, and let me tell you something, I don't be doing nothing with my hair. I literally be going to sleep with no scarf on. I mean, it's terrible. Honestly, I should do better. When I curl my hair with the curling wand, I do use flexi rods. Those help me to keep that like bouncy curl situation, and maybe I'll upload a video of me doing that because it is a specific way you got to roll those flexi rods in order to achieve the same curl as the curl wand. But I haven't been doing nothing to my hair. So this hair was supposed to be jet black. It was jet black, but I used a demi-permanent color on it, on the bundles before I got it installed. And everyone knows the demi-permanent don't really last that long. It's just like a semi-permanent, but it's supposed to last a little bit longer. Blah, blah, blah. This is my second time washing these extensions. I believe it's like day 52 or something like that with this hair. And yeah, I've been loving this flip over method sewing. Honestly, it's been perfect for me. I know it's a little old school. I don't really care. It works for me. I love that I could just throw it to one side. I don't have to have the whole part leave out. I just leave my front hair out, and y'all can say whatever y'all want. Oh, it's broken off, blah, blah, blah. My hair is relaxed. The front of my hair has gone through a lot. That's why I'm leaving it out, because I'm trying to give it a break. And how am I giving it a break if I'm not wrapping up at night? That's neither here nor there. But my edges, I have traction alopecia from years of getting braids and twists. I remember a specific incident, but that was in college, and yeah, they just really haven't grown back right since. So whether my hair is natural or relaxed or whatever, the rest of my hair grows, but my edges will not grow. It's cool. I like to put a fresh color on it from here to there, just to give it like a nice, fresh coat, and you can see the hairs that are there a little bit better when I put the black on there. And you'll see when I lay my edges at the end of this video. But yeah, I'm putting jet black on here because the bundles were jet black. The top of it was turning like a little bit of brown in the sunlight. I didn't like that because my hair is black. But I just went ahead and did a touch up on the top part of my hair using Matrix 1N, which is a neutral black. And I let that sit for about 25 minutes. These are the products that I'm using to shampoo these extensions. So I use Aussie Moist on the normal. I didn't this time because I used the color, so I need to use a little bit better product. So I did use a Care moisturizing detangling shampoo, which you can get from your beauty supply store. I also use Design Essentials Oat and Henna Deep Cleansing Shampoo because I needed to make sure that color was up off of my hair. But I normally will use the Aussie Moist. If it ain't like super gunky or ain't got nothing heavy on it, I would use Aussie Moist shampoo and conditioner. And I would mix the Aussie Moist conditioner with the silicone mix. And it just does wonders on this hair, baby. You're going to see at the end. It's like I got a fresh install. Like, this hair is chef's kiss, okay? It's thick. It's full from root to tip. I did layer this hair up. It is like butter, baby. Especially after a fresh co-wash. Oh my goodness, butter. Okay, butter. But yeah, I colored my hair jet black. You're about to see me wash it. I put the conditioner on it. I let that sit for a little bit, not too long, maybe like 10 minutes. Rinse that out, and then I put plaits in my hair. If you have a sew-in, I suggest that you sit under the dryer. If you have a sew-in, I suggest that you sit under the dryer. Just go and sit under the dryer. Make sure the root of your scalp is dry. It's no need in playing in that. Just go ahead and do it. Sit under the dryer. If you ain't got no hooded dryer, I swear they selling some at Goodwill. Get your Goodwill around the corner. They selling one of them hooded dryers. Go ahead and get you one of those. Okay. But I make sure to put the conditioner in there, brush it all the way through. You'll see how I set my hair in the front at the end of this video. TPL Extensions will be releasing this coming Friday, April 26th, 2004. I'm so excited to finally be releasing this hair to the world because I have been testing this hair for about, I want to say 5-6 years. I have wigs as old as 5-6 years using this hair. Best hair I've ever used. and it lasts a very long time. It is Vietnamese-based raw hair. And yeah, I sell it in 3 different textures. The straights, a classic body wave, which has a little bit of wave to it when it's wet, and then a glamour body wave, which is really like curly once it dries. And I'll post some videos about textures here soon. If you want to see other videos of me using this hair, there is a playlist under TPLXtensions, so you can see the beauty of this hair on different textures of hair, sew-ins, color, so on and so forth. I have all of that loaded under the TPLXtensions folder playlist here on YouTube. If you're not subscribed to this channel, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you can see what's popping here at the Pretty Lounge every Sunday at noon. You want to see what's popping at the Pretty Lounge. I'm dropping videos every Sunday at noon. And next week's video gonna pop, okay? I'm telling y'all that right now. Next week's video, y'all gonna be like, oh, she snapped. So yeah, y'all need to get into it. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you want, you can go and on my website and subscribe to our mailing list just so you can see what's popping at the Pretty Lounge a little further than just YouTube. You can book an appointment with me if you like. But yeah, we're here on this journey at the Pretty Lounge. For those who've been keeping up, we are still at the suites right now because we did have to move from the salon space due to water damage. But everything's been smooth. I'm very blessed, and I'm happy to be doing what I know I'm called to do. So thank you, Lord, for these hands. I'm saying it publicly for the world. Thank you, Lord, for these hands. Thank you, Lord, for these hands. But if you like this video, go ahead and put a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, go ahead and put them down in the comment box. Well, watch me finish up this hair, okay? Watch me finish up this hair. Let me tell y'all right now, it was giving. You seen from the preview, it was giving. And you could do this at home. You could definitely wash your extensions and do all of this at home. With proper care, your extensions can last. But TPLXtensions is what you need. It's what you need. All right, y'all. It was great showing y'all yet another tutorial on hair, and I'll be get back next week. Make sure you're subscribed, and yeah, I'll see y'all next week. Peace.
Yeah.